I'm speaking to? I'm speaking to?
Jessica Sferrazza.
And why are you here today?
I'm just here to support the volunteers, thank them, and also getting them out to have, to educate everybody on true healthcare reform.
And just out of curiosity, at the city level here in Reno, what would healthcare reform look like that would help the city?
Well, I think
from your perspective,
there's different proposals making healthcare affordable to all. Because eventually, if you don't make healthcare affordable to all, we're going to pay for it. You look at indigent care with the emergency rooms. You look at the costs of somebody who's uninsured. That has a price to pay, and we all pay for it in the long run. And we pay 5 times what the true costs are with a person who would have had health insurance to begin with.
And as you talk about trying to have an honest conversation of how to make healthcare reform more amenable to the city, as well as to what would it look like here at the city level? What would that honest conversation look like to you?
Well, I think that conversation is with our friends and neighbors and talking about their concerns. I think there are legitimate concerns about the cost of healthcare reform. That's why we got to look for efficiencies, because the downside of not having healthcare reform, that means we're in a position where we can't hire more employees at the city, as I said, police, public safety, firefighters, the state hiring teachers. We need these people, and also our small business owners. I mean, we want to encourage businesses to open here in the state of Nevada. With our unemployment rate, at over 12% statewide, we need to get a health insurance plan where our small businesses aren't put out of business just to provide health insurance for their employees. So really today was urging civility and having conversations with our friends and neighbors about the benefits of healthcare reform.
Perfect. And I guess my last question is, I know you're in a hurry. If there's anything I didn't ask, do you want to say about today regarding healthcare reform? You have the floor.
I think, again, we should just be supportive of one another. We're all Americans. This is a democracy. I think all points of views need to be heard. We need to be respectful of one another and carry on this honest debate and move forward with some true reform. Because if we don't provide for true reform, I really believe it's going to bankrupt our system and have long-term consequences that none of us want to have. And I think that every American should be able to have health insurance.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Ms. Sferrazza. I'm going to let you get moving to Dayton, and take care.